Yo, what up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another reaction video. And today we got another banger. Today we're gonna be reacting to the top 10 scariest doorbell camera moments ever recorded. Original videos by Creepycamm. Link will be in the description below. Make sure you show them love. Give them all the credit they deserve. Also like, comment, subscribe on this video on the road to 1K. We are about 400 away. And y'all know how we do over here. Y'all know we like the scary content. So we are gonna get back into the scary content with these doorbell cam moments. Scariest ones that's ever recorded at that. So without further ado, man, let's get into this video. Let's go, man. Let's get it.
This first video was captured in the middle of the night at an apartment complex in Toledo, Oh.
Yeah, he finna mug you.
Footage shows a man knocking on the front door with what looks like a firearm in his waistband.
Yeah, he finna mug you.
The owner of the apartment didn't recognize the man, so she would question who it was. The unknown man would simply respond with "It's me." The homeowner would further question his response, but rather than clarifying, he would simply give away through the front door.
Yeah, he holding something. Oh yeah, that's a firearm. That's a gun.
However, it would not be enough to get the homeowner to open it, so you would ultimately walk off.
He waved it off.
Disturbingly, as he does so, a second man pops up from a nearby dumpster and also walks off.
Wow, bro. People are fucking crazy, bro.
But this wouldn't be the end of it. The two would then walk around to the back door, where they would attempt to pick its lock. The police were called, and when they arrived, the two were gone. Fortunately, unsuccessful in getting the door open.
For sure.
It's not 100% clear what the 2-minute planned. The almost empty-looking backpack at the first guy suggests they planned to rob the place.
Yeah.
But it's also possible they had much worse intentions. The two of them have yet to be identified by police. The homeowner in Texas would wake up one morning to find the gate into his backyard wide open. Curious, the man would
hell no. Hell no. Hell no. Hell no. It's a clown, and it looked like he got a knife.
Cameras he had around his house, and this is the sign he was met with.
Oh no, hell no.
A man holding a knife and in a clown costume, complete with the suit and mask, casually walks around. That's how you get shot, bro. Looking inside the house and testing all the doors.
Yeah, that's how you get shot. I mean, bro is just walking around. Yeah, I'll beat your ass. You'll see a damn hole going through that door. I'll blow your ass up.
This will, of course, take place in 2016, during that sort of killer clown craze that went on for a few months. Looking back, most people that participated in that were most likely just having fun trying to scare people.
Yeah, it don't matter. You get your ass shot.
There's no denying that others took advantage of the situation, genuinely attempting some pretty horrific crimes hidden under a clown mask, with this likely being one of those cases. It's clear the person in the costume is actually trying to break into the house with a knife. Though after being unsuccessful, the clown would eventually walk off, and despite a police report, that would be the end of it. Ultimately, the homeowner would be left with nothing but this disturbing footage. This footage was captured in Colorado in the middle of the night. The issue 3 mountain lions appearing from the darkness and starting to walk around a set of houses. They were captured even going as far as to walk up onto the porch of one of the houses. Mountain lion sightings are known to be exceptionally rare in this specific area. Typically, they'll stay a lot further.
You open that door, they're gonna mess your ass up.
Easier access to the deer that they prey on. To see them in an area with a lot of people, especially in the neighborhood, is not at all common, at least in this area. The 3 cans would eventually walk off, but there are almost no doubt things would have gone differently had one of these homeowners left their pets outside for the night.
Oh yeah, they would have ate it
or
up,
possibly
boy.
were even outside themselves. This doorbell camera footage was captured in Overland Park, KS, in March of 2017. Is that a fire or a
tornado?
Shown in the video is a nearby active house fire.
Gee,
the home
bro.
of the neighborhood just across the street has been completely engulfed in flames. As the fire department arrives, neighbors can be seen desperately moving their parked cars away from the house.
Wow. That thing is aggressive, bro.
Eventually, a flaming piece of debris can be seen falling and landing on a set of bushes just in front of the camera.
I knew it.
The bushes quickly burst into flames. The fire starts spreading quickly to put it out. He grabs a garden hose and sprays the fire
I thought you
while
sat
pressing
on
the house's doorbell. However, the owner of the house isn't home and frantically tries to communicate this through the doorbell speaker.
That's crazy. That's scary, man. It's scary that if you got a doorbell cam and you know your house is on fire and you're not home, bro. Like the panic that you gotta have for that.
In the end, the fire department would be able to put out the house fire and, with help from the neighbors, prevent it from spreading to nearby houses. This video was posted by Doorbell News in September of 2022. This video shows a man knocking on the door at 3 a.m. He pounds on the door multiple times. This guy needs some help, but it's 3 in the morning and he needs to go away.
No lie.
He asks the homeowner to come to the door and talk to him.
Excuse me, miss. Can you come talk to me, please?
That you just knock on somebody's door and can you come talk to me, please? That's gonna get him out.
There was no reply from the homeowner. The guy went into the street and started looking for a lift. Then he comes again and starts pounding on the door. He gets aggressive and starts yelling. The homeowner called the police.
He owns
I
something.
don't know what he was looking for, but it was bizarre behavior.
You looking for some more
Historical
crack?
footage was recorded just before 4:00 a.m. on a night in August 2020. The video captures an unidentified man walking in front of a house and emptying a gas container over the yard and front porch. Shortly after he disappears off-screen, a large fire erupts just in front of the camera.
Oh, he did some foul shit. That's foul, man.
No one would be injured during the incident, however. Unfortunately, 2 houses and a vehicle would be damaged.
That's messed
The
up,
homeowner
bro.
would claim to have no idea who could be responsible or who would even consider doing this to them. At least from an outside perspective, the act looks completely random with seemingly no reason behind it, making the clip all the more unsettling.
That's the scary thing about this world, man, is you got people that just do shit to do it. No rhyme or reason, man. They'll do some wild shit like that just because it's something for them to do. And it's terrifying to know that they got folks like that in this world, man.
On a night in September of 2021, a homeowner would get a suspicious knock on his door at about 3:00 in the morning. Upon opening his phone and looking at his doorbell camera, he would see 2 would look like teenagers identifying themselves as
Put it on this
CPD
side.
or Columbus Police Department.
CPD, open up. We need to ask you a couple questions.
The video shows the man in the front clearly holding
Man,
a
get out of here, man.
and the house sitter would eventually access the doorbell camera speaker to further question him.
Can I help you? CPD, we need to ask you a couple questions. I'm sorry? CPD, we need to ask you a couple questions. May you please step to the front door, please? CPD. Yes, this is CPD. We would like you to step to the door, please. Can I see a badge? We would like you to step to the door, please, sir.
He got aggravated.
Badge, sir.
The man refuses to show a badge because, well, obviously, he doesn't have one.
Yeah, he got
The
aggravated.
homeowner knew what was going on, so rather than stepping to the door, he would call the real police department and report 2 armed men at his front. But after that failed, and they would run off before the real police could show up.
CPD, open the door.
The 2 were most likely just looking to rob the man when he opened the door. But I mean, it's possible they had worse intentions in mind.
He had the gun in the
There's
hand, locked
just
and loaded,
no
ready to
way of
go.
knowing for sure. Both of them were never identified by police. In May of 2018, a woman would leave her parts car that was just outside her house unlocked overnight. Not surprisingly, someone would find the unlocked car and proceed to steal multiple items that were owned by the woman.
People are sad,
A few
man.
hours later, the man responsible for the theft would be caught on the woman's doorbell camera attempting to use her
I might
set
as
of
well stay on
keys
this
that
side,
he
huh?
had just stolen to unlock her house's front door.
So calm, bro.
This all took place while a house owner was home and sleeping, but luckily the set of keys he had stolen didn't have a house key on it, so the guy just ended up walking off. Had the set of keys contained a house key, things most likely would have ended much differently.
Definitely could have, bro. I mean,
Shown in this doorbell camera footage is an unknown man wearing an oddly disturbing mask.
go back to my side.
As he walks up to the door, his emotions alert the camera to start recording. And that's when you can see him grab the door handle, realize it's locked, and hesitantly knock on the door.
He got a big ass grin on his face.
The man would wait for only a few seconds before he would pull his sleeve over his hand and wipe off his fingerprints from the door handle before walking off.
Man, you ain't slick. You on
Around
doorbell cam, you
The
dumbass.
homeowner would come to the door and now see the man across the street sitting in a car. When she yelled down to him to see what he wanted, he would quickly speed off. The homeowner would later state that she had no idea who this man could have been or what he was doing there. The fact that he removed his own fingerprints from the door handle suggests that he had most likely given them to the police at some point. It's not completely unreasonable to conclude that this man had some sort of criminal record. Something else
Come on, bro. He's out here trying to break into somebody's house, knocking on the doors, seeing the doors unlocked. Of course he's got a criminal record.
of note is that someone's heavy object can be seen weighing down his front pocket. It's not clear what this is, and more importantly, it's not clear who this man is. The mask would ultimately make it impossible for police to identify both the man's identity and his intentions. In July of 2021, Amanda Noack updated her Facebook with an alarming video. She took this video from her Ring doorbell as she set in for sleep. Someone rang her doorbell. She checked the app, only to see a man with gray hair and a full-grown gray beard presently knocking on her door and ringing the bell. Amanda didn't recognize this man, so she ignored the knocking, but the stranger didn't leave. As well as knocking, he kept repeating he wanted to talk to her and had questions for her.
Are you sure? I just rang your doorbell because I have a couple questions.
I did not expect that voice to come out of this guy.
For you. Are you sure? I just rang your doorbell because I have a couple questions for you.
He's throwed, bro.
Are you sure?
He on some shit too.
What? Are you sure? I just rang your doorbell because I have a couple questions for you. Are you sure? Are you positive? Are you sure? Are you absolutely certain?
When she was home alone, she called her husband to tell him what was happening and called 911. So Amanda's husband accessed the camera from his phone and saw the man. Ignoring him wasn't doing the trick, so he decided to talk to him using the speaker.
How are you? What? Yeah? Are you sure? Who are you? Hey, I just had a couple questions. I just wanted to ask you about the TV show. Yeah, can you hear me? What I'm looking for is the girl that's in the house to come out here because I'm gonna take her in.
Whoa. Whoa. He said that so nonchalant.
You're raping the girl that's on the other side of the store when she lets me in. I want to rape her and kill her because I have a knife, a gun. Yeah, and I'm gonna knock on her door again. Alright.
After threatening the woman in a stone-cold tone, he's gone. He doesn't even seem scared off. He just leaves. As the man calmly walks away, he continues to talk to himself down.
Bro, I'm shell-shocked. I can't believe he said that so nonchalantly. Yeah, he's throwed, bro. He's throwed.
Amanda was terrified, but she feared this man might move to another house and hurt someone. So she took the creepy footage and posted it on Facebook. And it was thanks to this Facebook post that this man was arrested.
Throw it off. All right, y'all, thank you for watching the video, man. Hope you enjoyed it. The top 10 scariest doorbell camera moments ever recorded by Creepycamm. Make sure you show them some love. Give them the credit they deserve. Like, comment, subscribe on this video. Comment down below what else you want me to react to. Like always, I'm out. Peace.